Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an Acura TL headlight bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is turned off and the engine is cool to the touch for safety. You will need a new H1 bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and a 10mm socket wrench. Make sure you are working on a level surface and that your parking brake is engaged before you begin. Now, open your car's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see two 10mm bolts holding the headlight unit in place. Use your socket wrench to carefully remove these two bolts. Once they are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward a few inches. This creates enough room to access the bulb without fully removing the bumper. With the headlight assembly slightly out, you can now access the bulb. Twist the electrical connector counterclockwise to disconnect it from the old bulb. Next, unclip the small metal retaining spring that holds the H1 bulb in its housing. Carefully remove the old bulb. Insert your new H1 bulb, making sure it's seated correctly, then reclip the retaining spring to secure it. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb by twisting it clockwise until it locks. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring it aligns properly. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier to secure the headlight unit. Test your new headlight to confirm it works. And for more great deals and a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.